If you ever wonder why certain people stay calm under pressure, why nothing seems to break them, and why they consistently rise even when life throws them into chaos, it's not luck. It's psychology, and it's the silent influence of Stoic habits that rewire the brain for resilience, discipline, and inner strength. Today, you'll learn the 8 Stoic habits that will make you unstoppable and the science behind why they work. Habit 1. The pause before reaction. Most people react instantly out of emotion. Stoics don't. They insert a psychological pause, a 2-second window where the brain shifts from emotional response to logical control. Neuroscience shows this rewires the amygdala and prevents impulsive mistakes. Respond less. Observe more. This habit alone can save your relationships, your time, and your peace. Habit 2. Voluntary discomfort. Stoics regularly do hard things on purpose: cold showers, early mornings, fasting. Why? Because psychology proves that self-imposed difficulty expands your stress tolerance. When you practice discomfort, life becomes less threatening. Your confidence grows because you stop fearing hardship. Habit 3. Focus only on what you can control. The average person wastes 70% of their energy on things they can't change. Stoics redirect that energy inward. Control your actions, your effort, your attitude, and let go of everything else. Psychology calls this cognitive reframing, and it reduces anxiety instantly. Habit 4. Negative visualization. This sounds dark, but it's incredibly powerful. Stoics visualize loss, not to suffer, but to appreciate. When you imagine setbacks before they happen, your brain becomes more adaptable, less reactive, and more grateful. It prepares you, not scares you. Habit 5. The evening review. Every night, Stoics review their day. What did I do well? What can I improve? What did I avoid? Psychology calls this reflection-based learning, a method that strengthens self-awareness and accelerates personal growth. Habit 6. Single-task intensity. Stoics reject multitasking. They train the mind to do one thing with full presence. Modern neuroscience agrees. Single-tasking increases productivity by up to 40% and improves emotional regulation. Focus is a superpower, and most people never develop it. Habit 7. Emotional ownership. Stoics don't say, "You made me angry." They say, "I allowed myself to react." This habit rewires your brain from victim mode to power mode. No one controls your emotions unless you hand them the remote. Habit 8. Act according to values, not feelings. Feelings are temporary. Values are stable. Stoics act based on principles, not moods. And psychology shows that people who behave according to values experience stronger identity, higher confidence, and deeper purpose. If you want to be unstoppable, don't wait for motivation, perfect timing, or easy days. Build Stoic habits that reshape the mind. You'll become calmer, clearer, stronger, and harder to break. Because the truth is simple. Unstoppable people aren't born, they're trained. If you want more psychology and mindset videos that rewire your thinking, hit that follow button. Your next breakthrough might be one habit away.